So inside, here's what it looks like. Now I'm going to go with an American-made replacement water pump. I think Remco. I'm not sure, but that's what I'm gravitating towards. But this is basically what it looks like on this side. Kind of nice the way it turned out, huh? It actually turned out better than I thought it would, because if there is a leak here, it will go straight down onto the floor. The pump will be just like that. It'll go straight down onto the floor if there's a leak. This wiring is not any concern, and I will seal this off. I'll put some sealant in there, some caulk, as I will in here too. I'm gonna basically empty a load of it around here. Just some white silicone would be fine, that they use in bathtubs here as well. Kind of nice finish to it. And that is basically my water main coming in. Nice and sturdy, nice and tight, coming in here to the water area. Now, the way I've done it is this was my original inlet for the city. I'm going to obviously figure out what to do about replacing this, because I don't think I actually need it, because the SureFlow has this sort of protection element in it that if you blast some camp water, you know, it'll bring it down to 65 psi and won't damage your internal piping. But I have to research what this is. I'm learning as I go, obviously, but hopefully whoever's watching this can learn by my experience. And so far so good. You know, things are moving very slowly. Let me just start by saying that if you want to do an Airstream, I mean, unless you've got people helping you, if it's just you by yourself, I'm into this 6 months now, and sure, it's beautiful. I've got it to a point now where I can say, oh wow, you know, the floor, look how beautiful it is. It sparkles. It's a custom-made floor, and you know, everything has had problems. But just be patient. I think that was something that I learned from this really pretty girl that was online with her husband that renovates Airstreams and stuff, and she's just like, just be patient, you know. The floor is filthy, but I'm going to sweep it right now and give it a little mop action, and hopefully we can get the floor looking nice, and then I'll put some paper down. The reason why I have the furniture back in now is because I'm going to be replacing the furniture piece by piece with updated, modern upgrades, or you know, updates. And I needed this because I was thinking of actually building custom furniture and using this as my template. Okay? Alright, so next video, I don't know if I made a video of these, but yeah, I laid like 2,400 feet of wiring underneath. That's for a whole nother thing. But yeah, doesn't it look nice? It's starting to get there. Paint looks gorgeous. I still have to try the air conditioner. I don't even know if it works or not. But furnace is in. I want to get a double fridge. I would love to get a double refrigerator. This is going to get cut up to the height of the refrigerator or thereabouts. I don't really want like a single fridge. I would like a double door fridge. So if it could fit sort of like between here, see where that is, kind of, you know, there, you know, and then, you know, perhaps modify this or something, and maybe bring it out to there. I would love a double fridge, because it's nice to be able to have ice and, you know, not have to struggle for freezer space if you need to have ice cream and all that kind of stuff that you'd want to have, you know. And these little ice boxes up top, just, I don't know, if I could get away with a double door fridge in here, it'd be awesome. I'm gonna give it my best shot.